Are you prepared for unexpected challenges in your projects? Risk management is essential for success. It helps identify, assess, and prioritize risks. Effective planning protects resources and ensures project continuity. Let's break down the steps to create a risk management plan. First, identify potential risks. List everything that could go wrong. Consider financial, operational, and reputational risks. Next, assess the risks. Evaluate their likelihood and impact. Use a simple scale from low to high. Then, prioritize the risks. Focus on high-impact risks first. This ensures efficient use of resources. Once prioritized, develop strategies to mitigate risks. Outline specific actions to reduce or eliminate each risk. Assign team members to handle these actions. Set clear timelines for implementing strategies. Deadlines motivate action and accountability. Monitor the progress regularly. Update your risk management plan based on new insights. This keeps your plan relevant and effective. For an example, consider a project launching a new product. Risks could include market demand fluctuation or supply chain delays. Identify these risks, assess their potential impact, and prioritize them. Create strategies to gather market research and secure backup suppliers. In summary, a risk management plan is vital for project success. Identify, assess, prioritize, and mitigate risks effectively. Ready to create your risk management plan? Start today and safeguard your projects. Stay connected with us. Thank you.